ultimate in high-fidelity music listening and home recording pleasure within the reach of everyone.
He's a Tolkien expert. He's a Tolkien expert. He's married to the woman who played his mother in Strangers with Candy. Evelyn, who also grew up in South Carolina, played Colbert's mother in his first film, Strangers with Candy. Weird. Carell has known him for over 2 decades and claims that he and Colbert weren't close. Carell has known him for over 2 decades but claims that he and Colbert weren't close. He was Steve Carell's understudy at Second City in Chicago. He was Steve Carell's understudy at Second City in Chicago. He compares The Late Show to Chop. Late night shows are Chop. Who are your guests tonight? Your guests tonight are veal tongue, coffee grounds, and gummy bears. There, make a show. Make an appetizer that appeals to millions of people. That's what I like. How could you possibly do it? Oh, you bring in your own flavors. Your own house band is another flavor. You have your own flavor. The audience itself is a base dish, like a rice pilaf or something. Then together it's OSH*T. That's an actual meal. And that's what every day is like at one of these shows. Something is one thing in the morning, and then by the end of the day it's a totally different thing. It's all process. Colbert's father was a successful physician and dean. Colbert's father was a physician, as well as an assistant dean at Yale's Medical School, dean at St. Louis University, and vice president of academic affairs at the Medical University of South Carolina. He died along with Colbert's 2 older brothers in a plane crash in 1974, when Stephen was 10 years old. He dropped the hard T in his last name because an astronaut told him to. He dropped the hard T in his last name because an astronaut told him to. He got rid of his southern accent when he was young. He got rid of his southern accent when he was young. He said this to every guest before they appeared on the Colbert Report. He said this to every guest before they appeared on the Colbert Report. He's a registered Democrat. He's a registered Democrat.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.